Okay, let's go wild welding. Um, this is our basic sample. We've got hello in this context, and the HTML looks like this. Hello. Now let's add some elements like slider. Let's add a slider, contextual, and starter kit slider, and starter kit slider. We let's import it from the graph element, and we edit it to the code. Now let's see how it looks like. And we've got a beautiful slider here. Amazing. Now let's add let's go and add some the same row. Let's add some cards. Cards like info tiles. Let's add some info tiles here. Let's go and bring some info tiles. Info tile. Here's an info tiles. Let's bring 3 info tiles and use them. Save. Let's preview it. And we've got here beautiful 3 info tiles. Next, let's do something more interesting. Let's go back to the code. Let's create an additional row. In the additional row, let's put Google Map with locations. So let's put Google Map with locations. Here we are, location set, and let's embed it in the code, save it. Now let's preview it. Beautiful, here's the Google Map. And now let's add contact us. Contact us. We'll add it here, the contact us. Contact us. Let's embed it. Let's save it. And now we've got contact us. Amazing. Now let's arrange the page a little bit. Add here style that will make everything centralized, and between each section we're gonna have padding. So let's first of all add the page that is gonna be centralized. Here it is, and let's preview it. Great. Now let's make a padding so those two will not be connected, and we're gonna give them padding of 15 pixels. Let's save it. Wow, what an amazing page. Now let's add here some other tabs. For example, we're gonna go here, click on contextual, slideshow. Okay, here's contextual, gives us common use cases that other users use, and let's use this slideshow. Okay, now let's save it. Can you see how easy it is to embed additional elements in our website? You don't need to know anything almost. You can always customize it. Here's the slideshow. Here's the slideshow, and here's the tabs. And now I'm gonna make it a bit nicer. So I'm gonna place the slideshow above the tabs, and the tabs I'm gonna place the tiles inside the first slideshow. And this one. Okay, the tabs inside the first slideshow. Let's auto indent the code, and locations, the Google location set, and the contact me on the second tab. Let's auto indent the code. Let's see what we've got so far. Let's change instead of slide 1. Okay, here let's see what we've got so far. So far we've got slide 1, slide 2. Here's the Google map. It's it changes the tabs automatically, so let's disable it. So here we say false, interval none, and we also want to change slide 1 to home, and we would like to change slide 2 to blah blah. Let's save it. And this is our beautiful website that we've created. It's got a slideshow at top, uh, tabs at the bottom that changes between our team, and different tiles that shows us information. And for example, contact us, which shows the location of the company and enables me to send a message to the company. This platform is backend side, server. It's also server side and client side. So all the solution is in one place, and it's as easy as you've seen how to create elements. So I hope that you're gonna enjoy it.